Want to start repairing iPhones but don't know which tools you actually need? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 every iPhone repairer should have, plus a bonus tool that makes life way easier. You can't fix an iPhone without the right screwdrivers. The essentials are the PH000 for most internal screws and the Y000 for trio point screws. Of course, the P2 pentalobe screwdriver and the standoff screwdriver bit. Next up is the plastic sponger. This tool lets you safely disconnect delicate connectors and lift batteries without damaging the logic board. Think of it as your safety net for all the tiny fragile parts inside an iPhone. Number 3, the plastic guitar pick or any thin plastic opening tool. It's perfect for separating screens from the frame without scratching or bending anything. Simple, cheap, and absolutely necessary. And we have the metal pry tool. This one is stronger than the plastic tool, so it's ideal for stubborn parts that won't budge. Just be careful. Precision matters, or you'll risk a scratch, or you could damage the battery and start a fire. And finally, the bonus tool, tweezers. Tiny screws, connectors can vanish in seconds. Trust me, tweezers are a lifesaver when you're handling these microscopic pieces. Pro tip, get an angled tweezers for even better control. Those are the top 5 tools you need to start repairing iPhones like a pro. If you're serious about repairing your own device, invest in these tools first. They'll pay off every time you open it.